to run the bass low.
Hi everyone, my name is Brian. Today I'll show you how to mod Call of Duty Ghosts on the version 1.09. Why 1.09? Because I froze my PS3 multiple times on 1.10. It didn't load the multiplayer, it got a black screen, I don't know why. Tried changing custom firmware, didn't work. So let's do it on 1.09. So first, you need a DeX PS3, Prodigy Target Manager, IDA Pro, Visual Studio, and an X editor. You also need the PS3 plugins for IDA. So go in File Explorer, install the update and 1.09 for Call of Duty Ghosts, then go in Dev HDD0 in Game, plus your region for your game, user directory, then you get the default mp.self. You will also need true ancestors for decrypting your self files into an ELF file. So mine is here, self. There you go. Put your default mp.self in the self folder. Open up Resigner. Select the option number 4. Then select the option number 1. There you go. So now we have a ELF and a self. Delete the self and rename this one to Ghost 1.09. Actually, that's it. Alright, enter. I will delete this one. Now put it. Make a special folder for your ELF files so it doesn't get messy in your true ancestors folder. Mine will be this one. Alright. Now open it with IDA. If it's not by default, just get in Properties. Opens with and go select IDA with more options and select it. Alright, open it up. You need the PS3 plugin, so PlayStation 3, okay. Alright, now by the way, when the first time you load up IDA, it will look like this. So you have to close every tabs in the IDA Pro except Functions, IDA, XView. So close the output, close structures, enums, imports, exports. Now click on Windows, save desktop, check default, press OK. That will be our layout. And now you have to wait till it says idle on the bottom left of your screen. So meanwhile, let's make the Visual Studio project. Open it up, new project. Oh, by the way, my PS3 might be loud. Yeah, I'll try to reduce the noise in VGS or anything. So browse, get to your projects folders, make one if you don't have one to keep your things organized. Tutorial projects, let's call it Ghost app application. Oh, yay, application. Alright, Windows Form application in Visual C#. Press OK. I won't care about the design, to be honest. Let's just go straight to the code. You will need to add the PS3 TM APA in your project. So add reference, browse. I will show you the path. Windows, well, C. Program files, SN system, PS3 binaries, and PS3 TM APA net.dll. Add it. Press OK. Now project, add class. You can call it whatever you want. I'll call it Ghost. Add. Remove the class Ghost. There you go. Now you just have your namespace. So let's add your custom PS3 libs or anything for modding on PS3. For my for mine, I will use my PS3 class. I will put it in the description so you can use it. Alright, alright, there you go. So, yeah, save everything. Perfect. Now, okay, so meanwhile, IDE should have loaded everything. Yeah, it's idle. So, file, we will save the current file as a IDE database file. So, save as, and say it goes 109, backup, save. Now, while making a backup, an IDE file is because it will load um, instantly. You won't have to wait like 5 minutes to make it load. So let's try it out. Open up not the L file but the IDB. Open it up with IDE Pro, and everything is already loaded, which is awesome. Now what you can do for make it better is to click on View, open Subviews, and select Strings. This window will be very useful for us. So put it to the end and you can save file. So now whenever you will open up, it will show the strings view. Well, I hope so. Yeah, strings view. Alright. Alright. So let's start with, oh yeah. Now we have our elf files, but we need to make it a debug eboot. So copy it right there. Eboot. Now click on the white spot so nothing is selected, and click on Shift, then right click on the white space and open command window here. Now you will drag in the make self, add a space, drag the eboot space, and now say eboot.binary in capitals. Enter, and you have a nice eboot. Close this. Now you will transfer it to your game directory in your PS3. Game plus user directory, and you drag in the eboot. Complete, clear, exit, and you can delete it. Things here, alright, and this is load. So now we're ready, and everything is set up for modding on PS3. Yeah, everything is set up, so that will be the end of this tutorial for now. I know it doesn't, it's not really long, but that's how to set up everything. In the next series, I will show, in the next video, I will show you how to make your structures for Ghost, like Giantati and player state. So, see you soon.